Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, 10th class. Today the topic of biology is gases exchange. Lecture number 2. Topic is gas exchange in plants. What happens in gas exchange in plants? Plants have no organ or system for exchange of gases. Every cell of plant body exchange of gases by its own. Because plants have no definite system for exchange of gases, therefore each and every cell of the plant carry out its own process of photosynthesis and respiration or exchange of gases. In leaves and young stem, this is the first heading of this topic. In leaves and young stem, how gases exchange occurs. As we know that stomata is present in epidermis and gases exchange through these stomata. If we look at the diagram, this is the gas exchange in leaves. Okay, this is the upper layer of leaves, is called cuticle, which is the shiny layer of the plants. And this is the upper epidermis, and this is the lower epidermis. Here two bean shaped cells are present, which are called guard cell, and the opening between the guard cell is called stomata, through which exchange of gases occurs. So what happens in leaves and young stem? Okay, these are the stomata through which exchange of gases occurs. What happens during the daytime? फेस जो लीव्स है faces two situations during the daytime. First, two processes occur in daytime. One is photosynthesis, in which carbon dioxide reacts with water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll and produce oxygen and glucose. And what happens in respiration? Okay, this glucose which is produced during photosynthesis is again oxidized with oxygen and produce carbon dioxide and water and energy in the form of ATP. So these two processes occurs in daytime, but at night time only this process, this is the respiration, occurs, and because there is no sunlight, hence photosynthesis does not occur during the daytime. So what happens during daytime? Okay, mesophyll cells of leaves doing photosynthesis and respiration, oxygen produced in photosynthesis here used in respiration, and carbon dioxide produced in respiration here used in again photosynthesis. And what happens during night? Okay, because at night there is no sunlight, so no photosynthesis occur. Oxygen from environment goes into the leaves, and the process of respiration occurs, and carbon dioxide produced, which is released through these stomata. The second heading is in woody stem and mature roots. Okay, how gases exchange occurs in woody stem and mature roots. As we know that entire surface of the plant covered with bark, which is impervious to H2O and gases. A plant has a layer of bark which does not allow water and gases through them, but on the other hand, there are some pores in layer of bark called lenticels. Okay, bark cells have some pores or some opening which are called lenticels, through which the exchange of gases occur. And what happens in young roots? Okay, how gases exchange occurs in young roots? Okay, exchange of gases in young roots occurs through diffusion. As we know, diffusion is the process in which the movement of molecule from higher concentration to lower concentration is called diffusion. The gas is present in soil surrounding the roots. Okay, soil which is present in around the roots carry different gases which are diffused in plants through the process of diffusion. And what happens in aquatic plants? Number 4 heading is in aquatic plants. Okay, how gases exchange occur in aquatic plant? Aquatic plant means plants that lives in water. So they get oxygen in dissolved form and release carbon dioxide in water. Okay, aquatic plant get oxygen in dissolved form and release carbon dioxide in water. Hence, they exchange their gases through this dissolution form. So, if we summarize this topic, gas exchange in plants, so these comprise of 4 heading. In leaves and stem, gases exchange of gases occurs through stomata. In woody stem and mature roots, gas exchange occurs through lenticels. In young roots, exchange of gases through diffusion. And in aquatic plants, exchange of gases in through water, which is gases are in dissolved form. So boys, this is the topic of your gases exchange in plants. Hope you all understand it. If you have difficulty, then can contact me. Thank you, beta.